In Arizona and Oregon, corporal punishment is legal. Parents are allowed to spank their children. Are step-parents legally allowed to spank children?
So I believe they are, if they are married and have a custodial relationship with the child. However, understand that spanking and corporal punishment has limits, and there are lines. And when those lines get crossed, and we have children that have injuries, then we can end up with a number of different statutes that apply to that situation criminally, and it could be criminal mistreatment on the easy end, and some sort of a felony assault.
Okay, so do you differentiate between married partners and unmarried partners in terms of what is allowed for discipline?
We do, and it's only in the sense that if people are living together and they're living as married people, whether or not they're actually legally married, that's essentially a family unit. We would treat that situation as though they're married in terms of the laws pertaining to the spouses or to the partners, and then with the children, I hate to say it depends and give you a lawyer answer, but it depends on how long the relationship is, how parental that person is in the life of the children. If this is a boyfriend or a girlfriend of 2 or 3 weeks and they just showed up and they take exception to something the kid's doing and they spank them, I think I would take a lot more critical look at that than I would a situation where we've been living together for 2 years, we're not married, but the child spends 2 weeks or a month with this other partner, and they're essentially functioning as a step.
That's really helpful, because we have a lot of debates about, whether or not step parents should be treated legally like daycare providers or more like parents. Like, where are they on that spectrum? And it sounds like what you're saying is they're more like parents, less like daycare providers.